Dear learner, welcome. I'm your teacher, Rogers Waiswa from SEMAS. SEMAS, don't forget, is CIPRO e-learning management system. Now, this is primary 7. Our topic, remember, is environmental protection. Don't forget to pronounce and spell the word environmental correctly. Under that, we look at importance of environmental protection. I welcome you to lesson 5. In lesson 5, it is a structure using since at the beginning. So we are using the structure since to start sentences, to construct sentences, to join sentences, especially if there are sentences that talk about our environment, that talk about how useful it is to protect our environment. I told you it is very, very important for you and me to protect our environment. A conjunction is simply a joining word. We join two clauses or two sentences. Now, since as a conjunction is used to state the reason for doing something. So as a conjunction, since is used to state the reason for something, for doing something. We shall use it to state reason. In other words, you can say to justify, if you find the word justify easy, to justify an action that is going to be done or that has been done. We use the word since. Now, to help us understand, sometimes if we don't use the word since, there are words that we can use. Let's see. Since is also used to mean, it is also used to mean, meaning which other words can be used in the same way as since. The first one, we look at a conjunction that gives reason. Which conjunction is that? Because. Yes, when we are using the conjunction because, we are giving reason for something that is going to happen or something that has happened. So, because is one of the structures that can be used to mean since.